It's here! 108 days after I ordered it. Throttle Down Kustoms frame has arrived. I ordered this sucker in July. Look at the snow. It's mid-November. And mine is freaking 21 today! So, now that I'm done my freak out, I finally got it. I should be happy, and I am. Now I can actually get on with things. At 13 weeks after I ordered it, which, by the way, this whole thing was supposed to take 4 to 5, and I, grace period of a week or two for shipping finagles and border and the rest of that crap. At 13 weeks, I finally get some kind of confirmation from old Quadratech that, hey, your frame is here. It's ready to take its last leg of the journey, but it's been damaged. I'm like, are you kidding me? How do you damage a frame? It's 3/16 box steel, for God's sakes. You got to drop a house on it to do anything to it. Well, they sent me some pictures and asked me if I want to send it back to Throttle Down to get repaired. This is 13 weeks after I ordered it. So I said, well, send me some pictures so I can see what's wrong with it. So I don't know what level of incompetence, laziness, or just downright stupidity it takes to damage a 3/16 steel frame. But there it is. Like, you would have to drop a friggin' house on this thing to bend it that much. But they managed it somehow. Now, of course, it's not Quadratech's fault, and it's probably not Throttle Down's fault. I can't see them damaging it and then shipping it out. It's their name on the line. So, MTS Freight, whoever the hell you are, thank you very much. I can straighten that out. It's an exhaust hanger bracket. Okay, the emergency brake line goes through there. Big deal. I could buy something from China, ship it halfway around the world, and it would get here in better shape than this thing arrived. It's got bloody surface rust because it's been in transit for 3 weeks. Okay, so now we've dealt with the bad. Let's deal with the good. Nice Throttle Down Kustoms logo. Cut right into it. Looks like laser cut. It's too clean for a plasma. The frame itself is phenomenal. Super heavy duty, 3/16, man, 2x4, I think, 2x4. Like, it's beautiful. It's way heavier duty than the stock frame, and it should outlast me if it's treated properly. All right, all the body mounts are welded on. They look perfect. Cross members are on. The spring mounts are there. The holes for the back shackles are there. The back cross member, fuel tank. They even welded in the nuts for the fuel tank skid plate. Alright, so it's shipped to you on this here wooden pallet, bolted on with 4 lag bolts into the wood instead of a nut and bolt that would have went all the way through. Might have been a little better. They, maybe based on the damage, should have put a couple of bars or pipes or some pieces of wood across the top. That might have protected it if you maybe put a 2x4 across the body, a couple of the body mount holes. But I'm sure they don't ship a whole lot of these, so. Anyways, first step is to get my garage door closed, turn on my heat, and warm this thing up. I'm going to flip it over, clean it up, get all the labels off it, and throw some POR 15 chassis paint on it before I bolt the single thing to it.